The gas laws. First one, Boyle's law. The volume of a given mass of a gas is inversely proportional to its pressure provided the temperature remains constant. Mathematical expression. V is inversely proportional to P, where V represents the volume and P represents the pressure at constant temperature. In order to solve problems, you must derive a mathematical expression from this volume is inversely proportional to pressure equation. Let this equation be 1, where V represents the volume and P represents the pressure and capital T represents the absolute temperature. Or the same equation number 1 can be written as V is equal to a constant into 1 by P, equation number 2. Or PV is equal to a constant, equation number 3. Based on the equation number 3, Boyle's law can also be stated as follows. The product of pressure and volume of a given mass of a gas is constant at constant temperature. That is product of pressure and volume. PV means product of pressure and volume is a constant. Suppose at temperature T, V1 is the volume of a given mass of a gas at pressure P1 and V2 is the volume of a gas at pressure P2. V1 is inversely proportional to P1, equation number 1. Or P1 V1 is a constant, equation number 2. Then V2 is inversely proportional to P2, equation number 3. P2 V2 is a constant. Equation number 4. Combining the equation number 2 and 4, we get an equation called P1 V1 is equal to P2 V2. This equation is mainly used for solving the problem. An assignment is given here. Do the problem and get me the answer. Then send the answer. Charles' law. At constant pressure, the volume of a given mass of a gas is directly proportional to its absolute temperature. That is the temperature on Kelvin scale. Mathematical expression. Volume is directly proportional to T. That is V is directly proportional to T, equation number 1. Where V represents the volume and T represents the absolute temperature and P constant at constant pressure. This equation can also be written as V is equal to a constant K into T, equation number 2. Or V by T is a constant, equation number 3. Suppose V1 represents the volume of a certain mass of a gas at absolute temperature T1 and V2 is the volume represents at temperature T2. V1 is directly proportional to T1, equation number 1. Or V1 by T1 is equal to a constant, equation number 2. Now, V2 is directly proportional to T2, equation number 3. V2 by T2 is equal to a constant K, equation number 4. See, from the equation 2 and 4, we arrive at a conclusion that V1 by T1 is equal to V2 by T2. This equation is mainly used for solving problems based on Charles' law. An assignment is given here. Please try to do it and send the answer. Next one is absolute scale temperature.